Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share two healthy and tasty watermelon recipes, watermelon pudding and summer drink. They don't require a long time cooking. It's very simple and quick to beat the heat. Serve them cold and you'll love it. Now let's get started. Ingredients for watermelon pudding. This is yellow watermelon and I've cut it into half, one for the pudding and the other half for the summer drink. Cut it into small chunks, remove the rind and the seeds. Cut the chunks into small pieces and add it to the blender. Do not add water, just blend it well. Into a container, add 2 cups of watermelon juice. Add quarter cup of corn flour and give it a good mix. To a pan, add the watermelon juice. Add 1/4 cup of condensed milk, or you can use any sweetener of your liking. Keep the flame on medium. Keep stirring till it becomes thick. This is done. Check out the consistency. The mixture has become thick. Now turn off the flame. Add a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. Set this aside. It has to cool a bit. I'm using silicone mold. You can use any small container. Before adding the mixture, just grease the bowl. If you're adding silicone mold, just go ahead and fill it up. Keep the mold on a plate or on a flat surface and fill the cup up to 3/4. This has to set, so keep this in the fridge for 2 hours. It's been in the fridge for 2 hours. The pudding has set completely. Now let's demold it and put it on a plate. Children who don't eat fruits, just try this. They will enjoy it. Spread some desiccated coconut on the plate. Just loosen the mold and gently put it on the plate. There you have it, soft and tasty watermelon pudding. It just melts in your mouth and it's so refreshing. Just give it a try. Ingredients to make refreshing summer drink. To make this recipe, we need chia seeds and almond gum. Before you make this drink, just soak it and keep it ready. This is 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Add some water, soak it for about 10 to 15 minutes. These two ingredients will reduce your body heat, so use often during summer months. This is almond gum. Just take 3 to 4 pieces. This is more than enough. Add water and it has to be soaked for 5 to 6 hours. To a pan, add 1 liter of milk and bring it to a boil. Milk has come to a nice boil. Turn off the flame. To the milk, I am adding 1/3 cup of condensed milk. You can also use sugar if you don't want to use condensed milk. Set it aside. It has to cool down completely. While the milk is cooling, let's prepare the fruits. I am using a fruit scooper. It's available online. Instead of cutting, use the scooper. Give your kids this way, they'll enjoy drinking. This is half muskmelon. This is yellow watermelon. It's nice and juicy. Use lot of water content fruits. It will keep you hydrated. You get different sizes in the scooper. This is the tiny one. I'm using 1 banana for this drink. I'm using half pomegranate. Now let's make our drink. First goes almond gum. This is 2 tablespoons. Next goes in 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Next goes the fruits. You can add any summer fruits of your liking. Add some ice cubes, then some milk. Add a tablespoon of rose syrup. This will give a nice pinkish color and also for the flavor. Give it a nice mix. It's a nice, cool and refreshing drink, and also it's healthy, keeps us going throughout the day. Try this refreshing recipes, share it with your family and friends, and also share your feedback about this recipe in the comment section below. If you like it, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.